What's the dumbest thing you've done to impress someone? In high school, I had a huge crush on this girl, Emily. She was funny, smart, and way out of my league. One day I overheard her telling her friends how she loved spicy food and how nothing could make her cry. After hearing this, I decided I came up with a perfect plan to impress her. The next morning I went to the gas station and bought the world's hottest chip, the one that comes in a coffin-shaped box and looks like it was dusted with powdered lava. I proudly stuffed it into my backpack and went to school. At lunch I sat at my table, chip in hand, making sure Emily was sitting where she could see me. I made a whole show of pulling it out, peeling open the wrapper and holding it up like it was some kind of sacred artifact. My friend Aiden leaned over and whispered, "Dude, this is a terrible idea." But it was too late. I locked eyes with Emily across the cafeteria, gave her a smile and shoved the entire chip into my mouth. I couldn't have regretted it more. My entire mouth was instantly burning. My eyes started watering, my face turned beet red, and my throat felt like sandpaper soaked in gasoline. I tried to play it cool. I gave Emily a thumbs up while aggressively hiccuping and chugging my water bottle, but it didn't help. The burning only got worse. Aiden was panicking. "Bro, do you need the nurse?" I nodded furiously. 10 minutes later, I'm sitting in the school nurse's office, curled up in a bed, wondering whether or not the pain will ever end. The nurse asked what happened, and I was way too embarrassed to tell her the truth. And then Emily showed up. She peeked into the nurse's office and said, "Are you okay? That was brave, but also really dumb." I nodded weakly, still sweating like I just finished running a marathon.